Get ready for a celestial spectacle. The Earth is about to be hit by a series of solar storms, and the skies might just put on a show you won't forget. But here's where it gets exciting. Not one, not two, but 4 coronal mass ejections, CMEs, are racing toward us, promising to light up the night with dazzling northern lights. And this could happen as early as this week. Imagine this: a train of solar storms, each carrying billions of tons of magnetized plasma, is barreling toward our planet. These CMEs, unleashed by the sunspot region AR4246 between October 11th and 13th, are expected to reach Earth between October 15th and 17th, according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration's NOAA Space Weather Prediction Center. While these events are part of the sun's natural behavior, their timing and intensity have skywatchers and scientists alike on the edge of their seats. But here's where it gets controversial. While NOAA classifies the expected geomagnetic storms as minor, G1 on their 5-point scale, the clustering of these CMEs could amplify their effects, potentially creating auroras visible not just in the far north, but also at mid-latitudes. Could this mean residents of places like northern Michigan, Maine, or even parts of Europe will get a rare glimpse of the northern lights? It's possible, but only if the solar magnetic field tilts just right toward Earth. Space weather physicist Tamitha Skov explains that the first CME might bring only a mild disturbance, but the next 3 are pancaked together, arriving in quick succession. This stacking effect could intensify their impact, making for a more dramatic display. Skov notes, we could be dealing with their effects until early October 17, assuming the sun doesn't throw us any curveballs. And this is the part most people miss. While G1 storms are considered minor, they can still cause weak power grid fluctuations and minor satellite disruptions. It's a reminder that even small space weather events can have real-world consequences. NOAA and the UK Met Office agree that the most significant activity will likely peak around October 16, when the combined force of these CMEs could trigger those G1 geomagnetic storms. For aurora hunters in northern Scotland, Canada, and the northern US, this could be a golden opportunity, provided the skies stay clear. Solar activity has been unusually high this week, with region AR4246, a large and complex sunspot group, firing off several M-class flares, including an M2.7 flare on October 13, linked to one of the current CMEs. These flares are like the sun's way of reminding us who's in charge. Here's a thought-provoking question. As our reliance on technology grows, should we be more concerned about the potential impacts of even minor space weather events? While these storms are expected to be moderate, they serve as a fascinating and slightly unnerving reminder of how connected we are to our star. So, keep your eyes on the skies and your cameras charged. This could be one of those rare moments when the universe puts on a show just for us. And if you are as fascinated by space as we are, join the conversation in our space forums or share your thoughts below. Are you excited about the possibility of seeing the northern lights where you live? Or do you think we're making too much of a minor event? Let's discuss.